What is Information and Communication Technology, or ICT? It deals with the use of different communication technologies such as mobile phones, internet, and etc. to locate, save, send, and edit information. Having a unified way to communicate is one of the goals of ICT. We spend less because of ICT. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is an interconnected system of public web pages accessible through the Internet. It was invented Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. Web pages are what make up the World Wide Web, and it can either be static or dynamic. Web 1.0. Web pages are static and not interactive. You can post comments or create an account. Web 2.0. Term used to describe the present generation of the World Wide Web that concentrates on its capability of providing people the means to collaborate and share information online. The second stage in World Wide Web. Dynamic website. The content of the website changes. Interactive. The user may be able to comment or create user account. Web 3.0, also called a semantic web. Semantics. Ability of web technologies to understand and interpret human-generated content. The aim of Web 3.0 is to have machines understand the user's preferences to be able to deliver web content specifically targeting the user. Trends in ICT. As the world of ICT continues to grow, the industry has focused on several innovations. These innovations cater to the needs of the people that benefit most out of ICT, whether it is for business or personal use. These trends are current front-runners in the innovation of ICT. 1. Convergence. Technological convergence is the combination of two or more different entities of technologies to create a new single device. Example, using a smartphone to create Word documents that was previously can only be created using desktop computer. 2. Social media. It is a website, application, or online channel that enables web users to create, co-create, modify, and exchange user-generated content. Types of social media. 1. Social networks. Sites that allow you to connect with other people with same interests or background. 2. Bookmarking sites. Sites that allow users to store and manage links to various websites and resource entities. 3. Social news. Sites that allow users to post their own news items or links to other news sources. 4. Media sharing. Sites that allow you to upload and share media content like images, music, and video. 5. Microblogging. Sites that focus on short updates from the user. Those who are subscribed will receive updates. Blogs and forums. Sites that allow users to post their content. 3. Mobile technologies. The popularity of smartphones and tablets has taken a major rise over the years. This is largely because of the device's capability to do tasks that were originally found in personal computers. Types of mobile operating systems. Number 1. iOS. 2. Android. 3. BlackBerry OS. 4. Windows Phone OS. 5. Symbian. 6. WebOS. 7. Windows Mobile. 4. Assistive Media. It is a non-profit service designed to help people who have visual and reading impairments. A database of audio recordings is used to read to the user.